बच्चों को भी बोलते रहेंगे मौका दे करके कि भाई आ जाओ सब कोई। चलिए, तो आज के क्लास में हम लोग मेन वो जो अपना बेसिक काम है वो करेंगे कि दो दो वर्ड सबको शेयर करेंगे और उसका उससे सेंटेंसेस सुनाएंगे, और कहीं पे कुछ करेक्शन करना होगा तो उसको करेक्शन किया जाएगा, है ना। और प्रोनाउंसिएशन में कुछ कमी रहेगा तो उसको ठीक किया जाएगा। तो चलिए, सुमंत और प्रियंका भी ज्वाइन कर गए हैं, तो चलिए सबको अपना हाथ खड़ा कीजिए, एक एक करके अपना दो दो वर्ड सुनाइए। और लास्ट, चलिए सुमंत प्रियंका बोलिए भाई।
Good morning, sir.
गुड इवनिंग बेटा।
Today my topics are computer and CPU.
माई वर्ड्स आर, टॉपिक नहीं है आपका,
My,
वर्ड है वो।
my words are computer
हम्म
and CPU. My
हम्म
first word is computer.
हम्म
Computer is an electronic machine.
हम्म
There are 5 generations of computer.
सुमंत, आपका आवाज बहुत धीमा हो गया, थोड़ा दूर से आप बोल रहे हैं। आप थोड़ा माइक के पास आइए, आपका आवाज थोड़ा धीमा हो गया बहुत।
Okay, sir. There are five generation of computer.
हम्म
Computer is a very useful machine.
हम्म
Computer is a very useful.
मशीन।
Computer is much.
हम्म आपका आवाज बहुत धीरे हो जा रहा है, फिर से एकदम एकदम पास आइए बेटा।
सर कॉल आ रहा था, 2 मिनट में बोले हैं।
हाँ हाँ चलेगा। चलिए, बाकी लोग हाथ खड़ा कीजिए, अपना दो दो वर्ड सुनाइए भाई। बोलिए अंकित। ये सुनैना बोला, चाहे सुनैना बोलिए, चलिए आप ही बोलिए पहले।
Good morning, sir.
गुड इवनिंग बेटा।
Today my two words are silly and a spy.
हम्म
And my first word is silly, and the sentences are how silly of you to do that.
हम्म
Her work is full of silly mistakes.
हम्म
That was a silly thing to do.
हम्म
Stop telling such silly facts.
हम्म सिली फैक्ट्स,
Stop
ओके। हम्म
stop asking silly questions.
सिली क्वेश्चंस।
And my second word is a spy. That sentences are
हम्म
I want to do. I want if you are a spy.
आई वांट टू नो इफ यू आर स्पाई। हम्म
He worked as a British spy in Russia.
हम्म
He was a spy for the government.
हम्म
They have tracked down the spy.
दे हैव tracked. हम्म
He is a spy.
हम्म
Okay, sir. Thank you.
बहुत बढ़िया। चलिए, अभी चले हम लोग। अंकित हाथ नीचे कर लीजिए। चलते हैं सुनैना के पास। सुनैना बोलिए बेटा।
Today my topic is difficult
Today-
and angry.
हाँ बोलेंगे, टुडे माई वर्ड्स आर डिफिकल्ट एंड एंग्री, ये शब्द है ना। हम्म
First word difficult.
हम्म
We were asked many difficult questions.
हम्म
I had to make a difficult decision.
हम्म
No task is difficult.
हम्म
Math subject is not difficult.
हम्म
Second word angry.
हम्म
We should not get angry.
हम्म
I have never seen her look so angry.
हम्म
Angry in not good for health.
And being angry is not good for health.
Be angry is not.
या ऐसे बोल सकते हैं एंगर इज नॉट गुड फॉर हेल्थ.
Getting angry can cause problem. Thank you, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया. चलिए चलते हैं अभी. साई राम नाम से दिख रहा है हमको, तो नैतिक है, राइट? ओके. मुकेश जी दिस ऐसे. एनीवेज, चलिए तो नैतिक आप बोलिए भाई.
Good evening, sir.
गुड इवनिंग बेटा.
So today's my two words are litter and comprehensive. Litter means what? Gandagi. The sentences are: clean up the litter on the street. The park was cluttered with litter. Please don't litter on the streets. It is wrong to litter on the street. I use a garbage bag to clean up litter. The dirty litter box had a strong stench. It is not acceptable to litter in the park. The uncleaned litter box befalls the house. We should exclude the litter from our park. The litter box needs to cleaned every day.
Needs to be cleaned every day.
Yes, sir. The smell of a dirty litter box is repulsive.
Repulsive.
Repulsive. The playground needs to be cleaned of litter. We had to be careful not to litter on her hike. The cat's litter box needs to be cleaned daily. Let's pick up some litter and keep our park clean. The amount of litter on the street was very so much. And my second word is comprehensive. That sentences are: two comprehensive report on the annual report. It is very comprehensive. They receive comprehensive eye exams. Our strategies must be comprehensive.
Our strategies must be comprehensive.
Yes, sir. Comprehensive nuclear test ban treaty. We are working on a comprehensive approaches. The analysis is very comprehensive and good. That's all, sir. Thank you.
बहुत बढ़िया. ओके. बहुत बढ़िया. चलिए चलते हैं सुमंत के पास.
Okay. Sir, huh? Computer. There are 5 generations of computer. Computer is a very useful. Computer father's name is Charles Babbage. Computer is a Greek word. There are 5 parts of computer. And second word, CPU. CPU is a computer of brain.
Brain of computer.
Brain of computer. CPU is a full name. A central processing unit. Humans are take instruction and give instruction for a monitor. CPU parts are of RAM, ROM, motherboard, and SMPS, etc.
etc के मतलब एटसेट्रा बोल सकते हैं. एटसेट्रा.
CPU is a hardware. That's all, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया. चलिए प्रियंका भी है उधर.
हाँ सर।
बोलिए प्रियंका।
Good evening, sir.
गुड इवनिंग बेटा।
Today my two word today my two word are
हम्म
street and nature.
हम्म
My first word is nature.
हम्म
He
हम्म
trusts people that was in nature.
हम्म
He devoted himself to the study of nature.
हम्म
Nature is a precious gift given to us by God.
हम्म
That is a color not found in nature.
हम्म
Hunger is a nature's way of telling you to eat.
टेलिंग यू टू ईट। हम्म
Eat.
हम्म
Nature is the ultimate source
हम्म
of living.
हम्म
Nature is the biggest reason for our easy survival and
सर्वाइव।
survival
हम्म
and this planet.
हम्म
And second word is straight.
हम्म
The sentences are:
हम्म
he was so drunk he could not walk straight.
वॉक, कुड नॉट वॉक स्ट्रेट।
Walk.
हम्म
He sat with his legs straight.
हम्म
I'm not straight.
हम्म
We should take straight.
हम्म वी शुड टॉक स्ट्रेट।
Talk straight.
हम्म
The the tree fell straight down.
हम्म
The car went straight off the road.
हम्म
She sat with her leg straight.
हम्म
That's all, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया। ऑलराइट, चलिए अभी चलते हैं आंचल के पास। आंचल बोलिए। सुमंत हाथ नीचे कर दीजिए।
Good morning, sir.
गुड
Today's
इवनिंग।
my two words are end and start. My
हम्म
first word is end. The
हम्म
argument ended in a fight. I don't want to end up in a court.
थोड़ा सा रुक जाइए बेटा,
In,
थोड़ा सा रुक जाइए, थोड़ा सा रुक जाइए। इंड नहीं बोलेंगे, एंड बोलेंगे, ठीक है। द आर्ग्यूमेंट एंडेड इन अ फाइट। अब शुरू कीजिए।
in the end, they got married. All
वेरी
my
गुड।
attempts ended in failure. That's
हम्म
the end of it. And my
हम्म
second word is start.
हम्म
Let's start the meeting.
हम्म
I need to start my homework now. Can you start the car, please? The movie will start in 15 minutes. Please start the washing machine. Let's start with a basic. Thank you, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया। आपके यहाँ दीपक और नंदिनी भी हैं?
नहीं सर।
ओके ठीक है, तो हाथ नीचे कर दीजिए आप भी। सुमंत आप भी हाथ नीचे कर दिए बेटा, ताकि हमको आइडिया है कौन कौन बचे हुए हैं। चलिए लेट मी गो टू नाव्या।
Good morning, sir.
गुड इवनिंग बेटा।
Sir, today my two words are torpid and pudding.
हम्म
My first word is torpid, whose sentences are:
हम्म
to pass the summer in a dormant or torpid state.
हम्म
To pass the winter in a dormant or torpid state.
हम्म
Over it all hang the torpid,
हम्म
sullen breeze of May.
हम्म
He just walked and his mind drifted slowly like a torpid stream. Keep on idling like this, and you will surely become torpid. And under the influence of that wintry piece of fact, she would become torpid again. Even when he was awake, he was completely torpid. And sir, my second word is pudding, whose sentences are: he ate every bit of the pudding. Too much pudding will cook a dog. I must try some of that pudding. He took a mouthful of his pudding. The coffee flavor complemented the richness of the pudding. This is a mold of pudding. There is not a pudding today. I have not made a pudding today. This chestnut pudding is a rich dessert with festive flavor. I must try some of that pudding. Let pudding chill for an hour. Any more pudding would simply be excessive. They served apple pudding for dessert. Let the pudding chill for an hour until set. I'm still hungry. Can I have some more pudding? That's all. Thank you, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया. ऑल राइट. सो पहला वर्ड था टॉर्पिड. टॉर्पिड का मतलब आप लोग को सेंटेंसेस से समझ में आया होगा. नहीं समझ में आया हो तो नादिया बताना चाहेंगे, हम बता दें?
बिना मन के.
हाँ, बिना मन के मतलब इनएक्टिव स्टेट ऑफ मेंटल और फिजिकल रेडीनेस ऐसा. ओके ओके, चलिए वीर और क्रिस बोलिए भाई.
Yes, sir. Sir, today my two words are bearers and bearers and Wieland. My first word is bearer. My sentences from bearers. My sentences from bearer are: the boy ran his finger down the told blue barrel of his gun. The light taught the bearer of done. The tar was barren down the street at a crazy speed. The offshore platform pumped oil at the rate of 1 barrel per minute. A petroleum barrel contained 42 US gallons. Sir, my second word is Wieland. My sentences from Wieland are: हम बस हम लोग का वर्ड बोल रहे हैं, ये बोलिए.
बोलिए बेटा. ओके, जब तक क्रिस वापस आते हैं रुद्रा, रुद्रा
Hello, sir.
बोलिए। हेलो बेटा।
Today my two words are temper and meditation.
हम्म
My first word is temper.
हम्म
You must learn to control your temper. He
हम्म
could not govern his temper. He has a bad temper. She has a real temper.
हम्म
You should govern your temper. He
हम्म
loses his temper very easily.
he
His,
loses। हम्म हम्म
yes, sir. His bad temper was aggravated by his headache.
हम्म
And my second word is meditation.
हम्म
Techniques of deep meditation help people under stress.
हम्म
Meditation tends to lower or normalize blood pressure.
हम्म
Yoga involves breathing exercise, stretch, and meditation.
हम्म
He was deeply interested in meditation.
हम्म
Uh, she found peace through yoga and meditation. That's all, sir. Thanks.
बहुत बढ़िया।
Sir,
आपने, हाँ बेटा बोलिए।
yes, sir. My second
हम्म
word was villain. My sentence is from I saw
हम्म
her last night wheeling a body along Green Lane.
हम्म
Halfway through the task, someone wheeled in trolley laden with dirt.
हम्म
He knows the wheel shop administration turned slowly. The tar wheels spun, spun and slipped and some oil on the road. The tar had returned, 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 rotated tires on three of the wheels. That's all, sir.
हम्म, बहुत बढ़िया। आपके पास वीर भी है?
Sir.
वीर is also
Yes,
there?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So
हाँ
today
वीर
my
बोल।
two words are migrant and set aside.
हम्म
My first word is migrant,
हम्म
and my sentences are
हम्म
many migrant workers can afford to return home only once a year. Migrant
हम्म
can also be a reason for an underpopulation country. Many
हम्म
people migrate around the world during their vacations.
हम्म
Migrant, newly migrant peoples are very unknown to us.
हम्म
Many people migrate to different countries, which lead to the shortage of population in their country.
हम्म
The students migrate in different states or countries for their studies.
हम्म
Um, the hummingbirds migrates in the summers to the winter areas.
हम्म
Migration is done by the workers who cannot stay at home.
हम्म
I would prefer to have the job settle once in an area instead of having a migrant job.
हम्म
My second word is set our sight, and my
हम्म
sentences are this incident has set our sights. They
हम्म
have set our sight for the evaluation of the company.
हम्म
We have set the sight for our country.
हम्म
I have set the sight for my future.
हम्म
That's all, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया। तो चले हम लोग एक बार रुद्रा के पास। रुद्रा, साजिद भी है आपके पास?
Yes, sir. Sajid bhi hai.
बढ़िया भाई।
बढ़िया बात बोला।
Hello sir,
हेलो बेटा।
today my two words are anxiety and stress. He was waiting for his brother's return with anxiety. My
हम्म
sister puzzled me and caused me anxiety.
हम्म
I was surprised by the intensity of anxiety.
हम्म
He His anxiety about the work was just a passing phase. The teacher praised him for his anxiety for knowledge. Her anxiety mounted month by month. Very second, William is usually very script to sleep anxiety. Technique of deep meditation helps people under stress. We all have to learn to handle stress. Depression is a time of high emotional stress. Stress and lack of sleep can aggravate the situation. Stress is an inherent part of dieting. Stress and tiredness affect your powers of concentration. Stress is a major problem of modern life. Thank you, sir. That's all.
बहुत बढ़िया। ओके, चलिए चलते हैं फिर। रुद्रा हाथ नीचे कर लीजिए, फिर चलता है अमित कुमार।
Hello, sir.
हेलो बेटा।
Sir, today is my two words are innocent and guilty. First word is innocent. You are so innocent. They have already killed innocent people. Don't play innocent with us. You looked so innocent. We are putting innocent people at risk and not just ourselves. And my second words are guilty. The old man feels he is guilty but cannot change himself. I am sure you are feel guilty. My father cannot be too guilty for this situation. My bestie is not guilty person because she did not do anything wrong. He feels he is guilty. That's all. Thank you, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया। हाँ, तो चलिए आप अभी चलते हैं हम लोग उज्जवल के पास।
Hello, sir.
हेलो बेटा।
Today's my two words are cleaning and finished. My first word is cleaning. I will be cleaning the home tonight. I will be cleaning the house tomorrow. She has done a very superficial cleaning.
Superficial cleaning.
Had you been cleaning? Had you been cleaning the house before they came? He had been cleaning the house before they fell asleep. And my second word is finished. Has your brother finished decorating yet? He have finished his work by 5 o'clock. Have you finished reading the newspaper yet? We went shopping after we had finished work. My father just finished his first year at work. By that time, I will have finished my homework. Thank you, sir. That's all.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा। चलिए यहाँ पे सुप्रिया के बाद जाएंगे हम लोग शिवानी और आंचल के पास।
Good morning, sir.
गुड इवनिंग बेटा।
Today's my two words are honesty and dishonest. My first words are honesty. Honesty refers to truthfulness and high moral person. An honest person can always be trusted under any circumstance. Honesty gives क्या सर?
Circumstance, हाँ.
Okay, sir. Honesty gives man the strength to face and the world in difficult times. And my second words are dishonest. Can you honestly love a dishonest thing? A dishonest man you can always trust to be dishonest. There is honest and dishonest qualification in this country. To believe in something and not to live it is dishonest. Thank you, sir. That's all.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा। चलिए चलते हैं हम लोग शिवानी के पास। शिवानी से सुन लेते हैं। शिवानी बोलिए बेटा।
Good morning, sir.
गुड इवनिंग बेटा।
Today's my two words are pretend and handicapped. My first word is pretend. That sentences are I am going to pretend we never had this conversation. He had a big stain on his shirt, but I pretend not to notice. The children pretend to be asleep. She pretend to be angry. I am tired of having to pretend all the time. Don't pretend you don't know. So you don't need to pretend, do you? Don't pretend you don't want me. To pretend do not love you. Don't pretend be nice to me. I am very silly, really. And my second word is handicapped.
बोलिए बेटा।
Yes. My second word is handicapped. That sentences are he has been handicapped since his motorcycle accident. He was handicapped by his height. The Amod school educates handicapped children. He bought lottery tickets from handicapped people. Stephen was born severely handicapped. They were handicapped by poverty of resource. She is handicapped but very self-sufficient. We were handicapped by lack of money.
By lack of money. Lack. थोड़ा सा जोर लगे उसमें।
By lack of money. The accident left him physically handicapped. British experts have been handicapped by the strong pound. An accident at birth left him badly handicapped. Mentally handicapped men in not motiveless gang attack. That's all. Thank you, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया। चलिए चलते हैं आंचल के पास। आंचल, दीपक या नंदिनी आए हैं उधर?
Good evening, sir.
गुड इवनिंग बेटा।
Today's my two words are is unhappy and grow. Sir, first word is unhappy. Mark seemed so unhappy. She looked very unhappy and tired. He was a shy, sometimes unhappy man. He was unhappy about something. So second word, grow. They all grow up. She will grow with love and care. You need to grow up. We grow vegetable in our garden. Thank you, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया। चलते हैं रितिका के पास।
Good evening, sir.
गुड इवनिंग बेटा।
Today my two words are sensible and arrogant. First word is sensible. That sentences are this is a sensible and careful judgment. Sensible artists get out when they are ahead. You might think so, and so might any other sensible person. And they still need a sensible diet. You give him some sensible advice about not showing out. You have to be sensible about it. The most sensible person in your family has exciting news.
Exciting news.
Exciting news. And my second word is arrogant. That sentences are we are arrogant, but in a good way. But your note was thoughtless and arrogant. It has an arrogant style and a dark record.
एक थोड़ा सा चेंज कर सकते हैं इसको, एरोगेंट नहीं बोल के एरोगेंट बोल सकते हैं। You sound very arrogant.
He was so arrogant.
Arrogant.
Arrogant. He has an arrogant little swine. I found him arrogant and rude. I am definitely an arrogant person. He was a little arrogant with me. They were arrogant without having much to be arrogant about. They are becoming quite arrogant. That's all, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया। चलिए सोनम के पास चलते हैं। सोनम बोलिए बेटा।
Good evening, sir.
गुड इवनिंग।
Today my topic is environment and pollution.
टुडे माई वर्ड्स आर, हम शब्दों की बात कर रहे हैं। टुडे माई वर्ड्स आर, हाँ बोलिए।
Environment. Everything present around us is our environment. It includes all living and non-living things in our surrounding. The life of woman and animal is entirely dependent on environment.
Environment.
Environment plays a major role in giving birth to a new life in the growth of a life. It provides us with fresh air that we breathe, water that we drink, food that we eat, and almost all the resources for our survival. Today, second word is pollution. Pollution is a big problem. It affects our life very badly. Mainly there are three types of pollution. They are air pollution, second water pollution, third noise pollution. Air we breathe is poisoned by smoke, harmful gases and dust. Water is polluted waste from factories, house, etc. And the noise pollution is mainly caused by loudspeaker and motor horns. Pollution causes many diseases. We should plant more and more trees and try to control pollution. That's all. Thank you, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया। ओके, तो सबने बोल लिया या कोई बचे हुए हैं? एक बार देख लेते हैं क्विकली। चलिए, सबने बोल लिया है शायद से लग रहा है हमको, वो चेक कर लेते हैं। प्रियांशु कुमार, प्रियांशु कुमार के नाम से जो भी हैं उनको हम नहीं सुन पाए हैं। प्रियांशु, आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे बेटा? नहीं। ओके, तो देखिए एक चीज है कि पिछले वीक में क्लास नहीं हुआ, कल भी क्लास नहीं हो पाया फॉर वट एवर रीजन, राइट? तो ओके, तो देखिए 2 वीक लगभग क्लास नहीं हुआ। लेकिन ऐसा सिचुएशन हो सकता है कि मान लिया हमको कभी कहीं जाना पड़े, कुछ ट्रैवल करना पड़े, कुछ मजबूरी रहेगा, अगर क्लास नहीं कर पाएंगे इसका ये मतलब कभी नहीं कि आप लोग का पढ़ाई रुके। सो आई वुड स्टिल स्ट्रेस ऑन द फैक्ट दैट कि ये जो हम लोग 2 वर्ड शेयर करते हैं या कुछ नए टॉपिक पे डिस्कस करते हैं, आई वुड सजेस्ट कि आप लोग जो है आपस में कुछ ग्रुप बना के रखिए कि भाई जैसे नैतिक नाविया तो ग्रुप में है, घर में भाई बहन है तो फिर कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। शिवानी टिका भी अच्छे दोस्त हैं, वो लोग भी आपस में बात करते होंगे। वैसे आप लोग भी अपना अपना जोड़ीदार ढूंढ के रखिए कि कभी भी ऐसा क्लास मिस हो ना, तो you don't have to really compromise on your learning journey, okay? That should continue. तो आप लोग हमेशा जो अपना डेली 2 वर्ड सीखने का चीज है वो करते रहिए, और जब भी वीकेंड में किसी वीकेंड में अगर किसी कारण से क्लास नहीं हो अगर, तो उस वीकेंड में आप लोग आपस में बात करके कुछ एक्सचेंज करके चलो हम लोग जो है आज हम लोग इस टॉपिक पे डिस्कशन करते हैं, और करके उसका ऑडियो भेजिए हमको। बिकॉज अदरवाइज क्या होता है, हमको थोड़ा गिल्ट रहता है, हमको थोड़ा क्या बोलते हैं मतलब होता है कि यार मेरे मेरे वजह से, मेरे ट्रैवल प्लान की वजह से बच्चों का क्लास रुक गया। वो नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि कल को हम एक दिन के लिए बीमार पड़े, एक दिन के लिए 2 दिन के लिए मेरा काम का लोड बढ़ जाए, या कुछ भी कारण हो सकता है, अगर उसमें आप लोग का पढ़ाई रुकना नहीं चाहिए। आप लोग का जो है मतलब जो जर्नी वो कंटिन्यू होना चाहिए, क्योंकि डिसकंटिन्यू होना सबसे आसान है। 2 दिन छोड़ देंगे, अरे छोड़ो ना, देखते हैं, अब टाइम नहीं मिल पा रहा, नहीं कर पा रहे, करते करते कब डिसकंटिन्यू हो जाएगा, कब ये प्रैक्टिस छूट जाएगा, पता भी नहीं चलेगा। तो मेरा वही कहना है कि आप लोग जो है एक बैकअप प्लान हमेशा रखिए कि सर जब भी छुट्टी पे रहें, जब भी नहीं रहे, हम लोग आपस में डिस्कस करके कुछ 2-2 लोग 4-4 लोग का ग्रुप बना करके चलो ठीक है आज सर नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं, 15 मिनट डिस्कस करते हैं, अपना अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू रखेंगे, उसको रिकॉर्ड करके उसका ऑडियो बना करके सर को भेज देते हैं। तो उससे क्या होगा ना कि हमको तो वो जो जो गलती का एहसास रहता है वो थोड़ा कम होगा। हमको लगेगा चलो ठीक है, 2 दिन के लिए हम नहीं भी क्लास ले पाए तो भी बच्चे लोग का कहीं पे कुछ नुकसान नहीं हुआ, ठीक है। तो हम चाहेंगे कि आप लोग का वो कंटिन्यूटी बना रहे, तब तक बना रहे जब तक कि आप हमको मुंह खोल के ये नहीं बोले कि सर आपका जरूरत नहीं है, या हम नहीं बोले कि देखिए आप लोग जो है उस लेवल तक पहुंच गए जहां पे आपको यू आर बाय योरसेल्फ, नाउ यू कैन टीच पीपल आल्सो, जरूरत पड़ी तो जब तक वहां तक नहीं पहुंचते तब तक मेरा वही रिक्वेस्ट रहेगा कि आप लोग इसको कंटिन्यूटी को बनाए रखने के लिए जो भी क्रिएटिव तरीका हो सकता है उसको हम लोग इस्तेमाल करेंगे। आपस में ग्रुप जरूर बनाइए, जब भी क्लास मिस करें या नहीं कर पाए या क्लास नहीं हो, उसमें आप लोग आपस में कुछ डिस्कस करके कुछ टॉपिक पे पॉइंट एक्सचेंज करके उसका एक छोटा सा ऑडियो बना के ग्रुप पे भेज देंगे। तो उससे क्या होगा, अगर 2 लोग भी करते हैं तो बाकी लोग अरे हम नहीं कर पाए, हमको भी करना चाहिए। तो हम लोग एक दूसरे को मोटिवेट करेंगे ताकि जो है उसका फायदा हम लोग सबको हो, ठीक है। तो यही एक मैसेज था और बाकी कुछ नहीं। बाकी बच्चों को जोड़ते रहिए, ग्रुप बनाते रहिए, क्लास ज्वाइन करते रहिए, जितना रेगुलर रहेंगे उतना मजा आएगा, उतना ज्यादा सीखेंगे। आप लोग देख ही रहे होंगे जो लोग जितना रेगुलर है उन लोग को उनका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल उतना ज्यादा बढ़ रहा है, वो लोग उतना ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल फील कर रहे हैं, राइट। तो लेट्स मेक श्योर कि वी आर यूजिंग दिस प्लेटफॉर्म एंड टू आवर बेनिफिट। और फिर मिलते हैं अगले शनिवार को फिर से, है ना। ऑलराइट, चलिए फिर यहाँ पे ही रिकॉर्डिंग खत्म करते हैं, रिकॉर्डिंग को स्टॉप करते हैं। और आप लोगों को कुछ डाउट है, कुछ मन में बात है तो बोल दीजिए, अदरवाइज वी कैन डिस्पर्स फॉर नाउ।